want to talk today about something that really bothers me, and it is when I'm out and about and I see people carrying this or this, your Yeti or your Tervis tumblers, and they're absolutely filthy. I keep mine relatively clean, but I've let them get dirtier than I normally would, so I can show you this might be the dirtiest thing in your kitchen. So I want to show you how to clean it and how to get rid of the bacteria. I'm going to start with getting my supplies together. I have my spray bottle of 50/50 white vinegar and water. I have a little rinse bucket right here off to the side to rinse it in. And I'm going to show you just absolutely how filthy. So this is fairly clean looking. I've already cleaned the outside. And I've washed this. You can see it looks clean, right? Well, no, not so fast. You can see when you kind of go here, it looks kind of brown. And then under here where you can't get to it. But what a lot of people don't realize is you can squeeze these little two tabs together and push them in and push them down at the same time. And you pop out your thing, okay? So once I do that, you can see how absolutely disgusting this is. And removing that has given me access. So what I'm going to do is spray that with some 50/50 vinegar and water solution and let it sit for just a second here. Saturate that nicely. And vinegar has antimicrobial properties too, so it'll help to really kind of clean this. It really needs it. Okay, so next, your Yeti. So the inside and out of the Yeti is clean, but again, there's a lot of dirt and filth hidden in your Yeti. And with your Yeti, you have two places that you have mold, mildew, bacteria, all kinds of nastiness hiding. First is under the cap. So I'm gonna go ahead and all you have to do, push. It's magnetic, y'all. If you did not know, this is magnetic. So you just get into this part and you push it up. And you can see, even though it's clear, now that I've moved it, you can see right through here how dirty it is. Disgusting. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray that down. Give it a good spray. The other place, and this is gonna freak you out, I promise. This gasket comes off for cleaning. I don't have a dishwasher. I have to hand wash, so my stuff does get pretty clean, and I look to make sure that things are clean. I'm going to prove you how dirty this is. Okay. And this, now that it's off, you can see there's brown stains and dirt and who knows what hidden in there. So again, I'm going to give that a spray. I'm going to set that aside. I'm going to go back now to my Tervis. Get in here. This is yellow looking. It's really, really gross. I'm going to get in here. I'm going to clean down into that ridge right here. Get that tab covered. Yeah, we'll see. Look. And this is from there too. And here just a little more. I'm not happy with that. There we go. It's warm today, so while I had that sitting there, it kind of dried on there. It needs to be, there we go. And now we are clean again. And you can see, we'll go back to this little guy too. I have cleaned right here and right there. So you can see those clean spots versus the dirt. And we take so much time trying to keep healthy and out of the doctor's office, and then we're walking around drinking out of spawns of bacteria. There we go. That's clean. Okay, I'm gonna rinse those over here. I have a little rinse bucket. So now I have a clean Tervis lid. Move on over here. I can't believe how dirty this is. So here's our rubber gasket. You go around just kind of gently. You don't want to pull and stretch it because you do need it to seal and hold the heat in. I want y'all to see. See that dirt coming off? So I'm gonna go around there a couple of times. Yeah, dirt, dirt, dirt. This is gross. Alright, now here's the really gross part. Getting all kinds of mess out of the... Where I'm going is right down, there's a little ridge where this rubber gasket sits. I'm getting down in there. If you can see that, I'm trying to turn it towards the camera. And look at all that dirty. I'm gonna do, again, mess gets trapped under this too. See, that's actually really dirty. Like I did with the other thing, I'm gonna go ahead and give this a little rinse in this bucket off to the side. Get a clean little towel here. And dry these off. And now I'm going to just reassemble this. If you have a dishwasher at this point, you could, I suppose, put it in your dishwasher. I know they're supposed to be dishwasher safe. I just don't happen to have one. I am the dishwasher. Alright, so now I have a clean, I don't see that ridge of dirt under there that you can't get to. And that looks clean, so I'm happy with that. So that is ready for use. Next we're going to go ahead and put this back together. Dry this one off. Using the clean paper towel, not the dirty one sitting here. Y'all see I'm recycling a towel. Alright. I usually use microfiber towels inside the house. And y'all, I just cleaned this and I still, just drying it, just came up with another pocket of yuck that I missed, and it was from right inside here. That's why I'm using the white paper towel to show it up for you. Got that cleaned. This goes right back on there. Just snaps right on, being magnetic. And then you want to take this, and it goes in that ridge right here. There you go. And I've reassembled that, and Yeti is ready for use. If it does leak at all on you, and I've done this where it's leaked after I've cleaned, and it just means that something didn't seed right, so just go ahead and just make sure it's on there right if you do get any leaks, because that has happened to me before. But that is something that's just been on my mind to share. I don't know if y'all knew this. I know there was a viral video a little while ago where there was a girl who posted on Instagram. She took apart her cup and was disgusted by it. A lot of people don't know, and this isn't something I've just made up. This is something that's been studied by Good Housekeeping and by medical journals as well, that people are getting asthma and having all kinds of problems, and these seem to be the culprit. So it's a real issue, y'all. I just wanted to share it and show you how to fix it, and I hope that you will examine yours and take measures to clean it up and stay healthy. So thank you for hanging out with me today.